we can write the question and answer of the chapter Robinson's Crusoe. I hope you completed the new words and its meaning in your notebook. So everyone, please write the question and answer of the chapter Robinson's Crusoe in your notebook. Okay, so we can discuss the question and the answer. Question number 1. What made Robinson Crusoe think that the print on the ground was a footprint? Answer is Robinson Crusoe thought that the print was a footprint because it has toes, heels and all parts of human foot. Number 2. Why was Robinson afraid when he looked at the bushes and trees? He was afraid because he mistook every bushes and every trees to be a man. Number 3. Why did Robinson pray when he saw the footprint? Robinson thought it was the footprint of a savage. He was afraid that the savage would kill and eat him. So he prayed for the protection. So next one, these 3 question and answer, please write in your notebook. And the next one, choose the right answer. Robinson ran back to his home as fast he could because he. So there are options. Was racing, was afraid, was in hurry to go home. So the answer is was afraid. So you have to mark it. Next one, he could not sleep because. Answers are animal outside his cave. He thought savages had come from the mainland. His bed was uncomfortable. So the answer is he thought that savages had come from the mainland. Why was Robinson Crusoe sure that was not his footprint? Because answer is he had not come to this part of the beach in a long time. Where was Robinson Crusoe? Answer is alone an island. So next one is, how would you feel if you saw unknown footprint outside your front door? So these answers you have to write your own words. Okay. So and the next one, if you were alone at home, suddenly someone knock at your door, what would you do? That answer also you have to write yourself. If didn't get the answer, you can use this one. I will go to the door and peep through the hole to see that who is there. Then I'll ask who is there. If there is someone whom I know, I shall open the door. Otherwise, I will tell him to come later. Next one, the words in the sentences are jumbled. Jumbled means rearranged. So that is not in order. So you have to make it as a proper sentences. First one, alone was not Robinson an island an. So the answer is Robinson was not alone on an island. Second one, was island the inhabited? So the answer is the island was inhabited. Footprint of someone, this belong. This footprint belonged to someone. I looked around me. I went towards footprint large. I went towards the large footprint. Was afraid I now. I was afraid now. So you can write this answer in the textbook. Okay. Next page. Next one, fill in the blanks with correct word. I was frightened dash curious. Answer is but. I decided to go to the beach dash I went along the water edge. So I ran as fast as I could dash I was frightened because. So I ran as fast as I could because I was frightened. I was very tired and confused. Okay. Then write a story on a strange footprint. Where did you see the footprint? So, what sort of the day it was? Did you see them at night? What happened when you follow the footprint? What did you see? What happened then? So write a story on a strange footprint. So you can write a story by using these clues, and you have to must answer for this question and make a story, and you have to complete one story in the textbook itself. Okay. So next one story is this one, story on a strange footprint. One day I was sitting alone in a park. A part of the track was muddy. Suddenly I saw footprint being made on the mud. I followed the footprint, but there was none. Big new footprint were appearing as it from the walking away. Whether it was a ghost or an invisible man, I could not decide it. Then I come back. Okay, then next one, page number 55. I didn't give this one. Okay, next one, page number 55, question 4. Use the joining words given below and join the sentence in column A and B. You can use or, and, so, but, because. These all are conjunction. So in the column A and column B, there are given some words, some sentences. You can use to connect by the above words and to connect a sentence and make a meaningful sentences. So I will read out the answer. I can sing well, but I cannot dance at all. She wore a raincoat because it was raining. So these two words are I selected from column A and column B. In between I added some conjunctions. They are but, because, or, and, so. Okay. Next one, third one. We may go to the Shimla or we may go to the Darjeeling. We wanted a book and football for his birthday. He missed the school bus, so he was late to school. Next one, I wrote the letter, but I forgot to post it. So you can make this kind of sentences and write down in the textbook itself. In the next one, page number 55, look at the footprint shown here. So this is a footprint of the first man on the moon. His name was. So there is a space. You can write his name. I know you know his name. I know that you know his name very well. That man is Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong. First man who touched the moon first. Okay, then next one, page number 56. Let us create a pyramid. Use the following clues. First one, a two-letter word begin with B. The answer is B, B-E. A three-letter word begin with C, cat. A four-letter word begin with D, doll. A five-letter word begin with E, eagle. A six-letter word begin with F, facial. So no need to write these only words. You can use any other words and make a word pyramid. Okay. Next one, page number 56, question 1. Have a conversation with your partner based on the picture below. You can start as 101 and 102, but the problem is now you can't make a conversation between your partner, so you have to write the answer. So in the textbook only 101 and 102 you can write the space provided in the textbook, and the 1 and 2 spaces only we can see, but you can write little more by using the same page. Okay, so 101, look at the footprint on the mud. 102, this does not look like a human footprint. 101, of course this looks like a giant elephant footprints. 102, but how is it possible? There is not a single elephant in this jungle. So these all conversation you can write in the textbook itself, but remember one thing, there is no space for writing this much, so you have to made the proper arrangements for that. Okay, so I hope you understood, and you can write the question answer in your notebook, and others works you have to complete in the textbook itself. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.